can't we beat a sailing record without...
Lots of training and experience?
No, a boat! Luckily, Grandpa's lent us his.
I did what?
Please?
Oh, fine. But you'll treat my old treasure with respect, won't you?
You got it. Introducing the Speedy Ass Sea Snail!
Great gumnuts!
Yeah! Now, let's get sailing!
Frizzy, you need lots of practice before you try beating my record.
Oh, please. Sailing is in my blood.
OK, then. I'll be watching you and offering advice the whole way.
Thanks, Grandpa, but I'm sure we'll be fine. Take us to sea, Captain Frizzy! Roger that, first mate / best mate. Yeah!
Aren't you forgetting something?
Take us back to land, Captain Frizzy!